Exponents. Here we have exponents and expressions. So all we have to do is match each expression on its exponential form. So what does that mean is, here we have the exponents. We have 3 power of 4, 4 power of 3, and 3 power of 3. So what you want to do here is you want to match the expressions with the same exact exponents. For example, here we have 3 to the power of 4. Now you can always use a calculator to know what is the answer. So for example, what you're going to do is multiply 3 by itself 4 times. And another example for that is this one. So as you can see here, we multiply 3 by itself 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see here, 4. So we're just going to drag that number and we're going to put it in the first place. Now we have 4 to the power of 3. Now, what does that mean is you want to multiply 4 by itself 3 times. So here is the coefficient. You're going to multiply it by the exponent. So you're going to multiply it by the power that's above it. And it's going to be like 4 times 4 times 4. So we're going to multiply 4 by itself 1, 2, 3, 3 times. So again, you're going to drag that and put it in the middle one. Now you have 3 to the power of 3, and you can always use a calculator for this, which means 3 times 3 times 3, and you'll get the answer. And now we're going to check, and that is correct. Evaluate. We have 12 to the power of 2. Now what we have to do is we're going to multiply 12 by 2 times. So you can always use a calculator for this if you want to make sure of your answer. And you're just going to write 12 times 12. So you're going to multiply 12 by itself 2 times. And then you're going to get the answer, and it's going to be 144. Use a calculator for this if you're using big numbers. Writing an expression using an exponent that is equivalent to 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. So again, it's the same as the other one with the expression and exponent, but now we just want to count how many times 6 has been multiplied by itself. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5 times. Now first you want to look at the number that's been multiplied by, which is, as you can see here, this is the number 6. You're going to write down, first you're going to choose this, and here you're going to write down the number 6. And on top, you're going to write down how many times it's been multiplied by. So again, we counted and it was 5. So we're going to take this and put 5. Let's check. Okay. Evaluate. We have 2 to the power of 3. So now what we want to do is multiply 2 by itself. So 2 times 2 times 2. Sorry, 2 times 2 times 2. Because you want to multiply 2 by itself 3 times. You always want to multiply the number. So this is the basic number, which is number 2. And the number above it is how many times you're going to multiply it by. So it's going to be like 2 times 2 times 2. And you're going to get the number 8. Let's check. Next question. Okay, write an expression equal to 7 to the power of 3. Some cards may not be used. So here we have some cards, and what you want to do is write an expression equal to 7 to the power of 3. So what we want to do is multiply 7 by itself 3 times. So first we want the number 7 and then times. So we should repeat this step 3 times. As you can see here, the number above is 3. So we're going to do it again. 1. Here is the second time. So here 1, 2, and then 1 more. 3. So 7 times 7 times 7. Let's check. Correct. Evaluate. We have 0 to the power of 4. So now we know the basic number is 0. So it's just like saying multiply 0 times 0 times 0 times 0. And it's gonna give you 0, so no need to use a calculator or think about it. Correct? Evaluate, okay. We have 5 to the power of 2. Again, we want to multiply 5 by itself 2 times. So it's just 5 times 5, which is 25. And let's check. Correct. Here is the summary, 7 out of 7 correct. And that's it. Thank you.